Guys, I don't like how my skin looks at the moment because I do have a lot of blackheads, whiteheads, acne scars going on because I didn't go to my dermatologist for the longest time because of the corona situation going on. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my weekly DIY facial routine that you guys can follow to achieve a glowy skin. I do have a really combination skin. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the first step is cleansing. For that I've taken raw milk. Since I have combination skin, I'm using raw milk. If you have dry skin, again you can use it. But if you have oily skin or extremely oily skin, please don't use raw milk. Instead go for rose milk. I've taken the raw milk in the cotton pad and I'm applying all over my face. First step is over. For the second step is scrubbing. For that I'm going to be using Innisfree aloe vera gel, which is amazing by the way. And I've taken 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, which is organic. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel to 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, and I'm going to mix it really well so that you get a paste like consistency like so. This is how your mixture should look. So I'm just taking it with my hand and applying it all over my face and start scrubbing very gently. You don't want to be very harsh on your skin. Be very gentle. Guys, if you have acne situation, a lot of acne, and guys, this smells too good. So I just feel like having coffee right now. So if you have a lot of acne, please skip this step because it will tend to aggravate your acne. So be very gentle, guys. Don't go around your eyes or on your lid because your skin around the eyes are very sensitive. So please don't go around your eyes. Um, and yeah, I'm concentrating more on my nose where I tend to have a lot of blackheads. So after washing my face, this is how my face looks. Don't scrub your skin with a towel. Just dab it very gently on your skin. So I feel like my there's a great reduction in the texture of my skin and it feels very soft. So next step is steaming. So I've taken really hot steaming water and I'm going to be taking steam for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I feel like my pores are really nice, open, and all the toxins from my skin are out. So the next step is massaging, guys. For that I'm going to be using the same aloe vera gel. Since I have combination skin, I'm using aloe vera gel. If you have dry skin, you can use curd. You can add little bit of turmeric and add it in the curd, beat it nicely and use it. Since I have combination skin, I'm using aloe vera gel. If you have oily skin, again use aloe vera gel. Because you know, oily skin and combination skin, you are supposed to use something very light on your skin because you tend to break out if you don't. So yeah, I'm going to be applying it all over my face and neck, and I'm going to be giving a nice massage for 5 minutes straight. So these are the massaging techniques that I follow. You guys can follow as well. When you massage your face, always go in upward direction, guys. Never ever pull your skin in downward motion because you tend to sag and you tend to get wrinkles and all these fine lines very soon. So always go in upward direction. This massage feels like heaven for me because we women run throughout the day and we need our me time at least a week, once a week. So I feel amazing when I get this pamper routine. Also, don't forget your neck, guys, your collarbone area as well. At the moment, I just feel amazing. I feel like sleeping. And again, if you have a lot of acne going on, please don't do a lot of massaging to your skin, because you again tend to break out more. Be very, very soft and gentle. Be very, very gentle when you press your pressure points. I'm just patting my face, which actually feels amazing, guys. I'm going to be taking some more aloe vera gel, and I've applied all over my face again, and I'm giving a nice massage around my eyes. After 5 minutes of massage, I'm going to be applying a face pack. For that, I'm going to be using Multani Mitti. Guys, this is the purest Multani Mitti I've ever used. It comes in a cube form like this. So what you have to do, you just have to take the required amount and add water to it and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. So it becomes a nice paste. It dissolves in water and becomes a nice paste. I think I got this Multani Mitti in Amazon, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I got it from Amazon. And also, since this is my pamper routine, I made myself a nice cup of lemon drink. I love this pamper routine. So this is how the paste looks like. I made it very thick. I don't like my mask to be very watery. So I'm going to be applying this paste all over my face, guys. Also my neck. So if you have dry skin, you can use curd as your base. You can use curd instead of water. You can use curd, besan, and turmeric in your mask. But I don't like to do that since I have oily skin. I like Multani Mitti or Rakta Chandan. So today I'm using Multani Mitti. So I'm going to let it sit for 20 minutes. I'm enjoying my pamper routine with a nice music and lemon drink, guys. I love it. So it's been 15 minutes, and I don't like to let my mask dry completely because we get wrinkles when we let it dry completely. So after washing my face feels very, very soft like a baby's butt. And always don't rub your skin with a towel, just gently dab it, pat it dry. And this is just herbs, 100% steam distilled rose water. I'm going to spray this in a cotton pad and dab it on my skin. I'm not going to be rubbing it again, just dabbing it all over my face and neck, because this takes care of the redness from all these massaging and scrubbing, and it also is very cooling on the skin. My skin feels very, 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 very soft, guys. Very, very, very soft at the moment. And yeah, I am also going to be using an eye mask from Sephora. This is raisin grape variant. Guys, this is like a eye patch that has a lot of serum in it. So I'm just going to be applying it under the eyes, and I let it sit for around 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll remove it and just again give a nice massage, little massage. Be very, very gentle under your eyes. And this is how my skin looks after the pamper routine. You can see my skin for yourself, guys. I've come really closer to the camera. This is how my skin looks. You can compare it how it looked before the facial and how it looks now. All my blackheads are gone from my nose, and also the problematic area is my chin and my nose. So I've all my blackheads are totally gone, and I just love my skin, guys. It looks soft like a baby's butt, and I hope you guys can touch it. So good. And yeah, I hope you all guys loved the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll catch you all guys in my next interesting video. Bye.